Good morning students, how are you? Welcome to Maths class 5 chapter 4 fractions, multiplication and division part 2 multiplication of two fractions. Students, follow these steps to multiply two fractions. Step number 1, multiply the numerators of the two fractions and write as the numerator of the product. Step number 2, multiply the denominators of the two fractions and write as the denominator of the product. And step 3, simplify or reduce the fraction to the lowest term if required. In case of an improper fraction, change to mixed fraction. So students, this is the steps to multiply two fractions. फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है और प्रोडक्ट का न्यूमरेटर में लिख देना है, और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है और प्रोडक्ट के डिनोमिनेटर में लिख देना है. अगर प्रोडक्ट लोएस्ट टर्म में नहीं है तो उसको रिड्यूस करके लोएस्ट टर्म में लाना है, कॉमन फैक्टर से कैंसिल करना है. और अगर प्रोडक्ट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होता है तो आप उसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर देंगे. बस इतना ही सा रूल है टू फ्रैक्शंस को मल्टीप्लाई करने का. तो देखिए एग्जांपल्स, एक्सरसाइज 5.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. नंबर ए 4/9 एंड 3/8. तो numerators are 4 and 3, so multiply numerators. 4 into 3 divided by denominators are 9 and 8, so 9 into 8, right? 9 into 8. Now cancel numerators and denominators by the common factors. See, 3 and 9 has common factor 3, so divide 3 by 3 and write the quotient 1 here, and divide 9 also by 3, so 3 3 ja 9, write 3 here. Now see, 4 and 8 has common factor 4, so divide 4 and 8 both by 4, so 4 बन जा 4 and 4 2 जा 8. ध्यान दीजिएगा, 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे 8 को और 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे 4 को भी. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को आप सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, मतलब सेम कॉमन फैक्टर से डिवाइड करेंगे और कोशिएंट यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. अब देखिए न्यूमरेटर में आ गया 1 and 1, तो ये हो गया 1 into 1 एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स 3 into 2, तो 1 into 1 by 3 into 2 इक्वल टू 1/6. दिस इज द आंसर. So the answer is 1 into 1 1 and 3 into 2 6. 1/6 is the answer. See one more question. 2/3 into 4/5 equal to 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 5 equal to, see there is no common factors of numerator and denominator. Numerators, in numerators 2 and 4 are there, in denominator 3 and 5. No number is divisible by 2 or 4. There is no common factor. So multiply numerators. 2 4 ja 8 and denominators 3 5 ja 15. 8/15 is a proper fraction, so it will be the answer. See next question, number D. 5/9 into 12/15 equal to 5 into 12 divided by 9 into 15. See here 5 and 15 has common factor 5, so divide both numbers by 5. 5 बन जा 5, write 1 here, and 5 3 जा 15, write 3 here. Now 12 and 9 has common factor 3, so divide 12 and 9 by 3, तो 3 4 जा 12, write 4 here, and 3 3 जा 9, write 3 here. So the answer is 1 into 4 4 and denominator is 3 into 1, 3 into 1 3, it will be 3 students. So 4 by 3 is the answer, but it is in improper fraction. See, numerator is greater than denominator, therefore it is improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction. So divide 4 by 3 to get quotient 1, 3 1 ja 3 and remainder is 1, 3 whole 1 by 3 is the answer in mixed fraction. So this is the answer in mixed fraction and this is the answer in improper fraction. So it is better to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. See one more question. 6 by 21 into 3 equal to 6 by 21 into 3 by 1. See here 3 is only in numerator, its denominator is 1. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So multiply numerator 6 into 3 divided by 21 into 1. So now you can see 3 and 21 has common factor 3. So divide both by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 7 ja 21. Now 6 and 1 in the numerator and 7 and 1 in the denominator. Now there is no common factor, so 6 1 ja 6 and 7 1 ja 7. 6 by 7 is the answer. Since this is proper fraction, it cannot be converted into mixed fraction, so 6 by 7 will be the answer. See one more question students. 6 by 24 into 32 by 18. Now numerators are 6 and 32, to multiply 6 into 32 divided by 24 into 18. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. You always remember, in multiplication we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Now cancel the common factors. See 6 and 18. You can see in numerator 6 and denominator 18 have common factor 6. So divide 6 and 18 by 6. 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. So write here 3. Now 32 and 24 also have common factors 8. So divide 32 and 24 by 8. 8 3 ja 24 and 8 4 ja 32. Now there is no common factors of numerator and denominator, so multiply numerator 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 3 equal to 1 4 ja 4 by 3 3 ja 9. So 4 by 9 is the answer. Since it is in proper fraction, we cannot convert it into mixed fraction and it is in lowest term. So 4 by 9 is the answer. This way students, you can do another questions. This much for today. If you like this video series, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.